In this video, we cover changing room installation for the SureShade Power Bimini. A changing room accessory can be installed by looping 4 securing straps to one of the many loops located on both the port and starboard side of the middle and rear rail mounting pockets of the Bimini top. The securing straps can be installed to any of the loops found on the Bimini top in order to accommodate a wide range of floor plan layouts and seating positions that are unique to your pontoon boat. The height of each side of the changing room is adjusted by wrapping the securing straps around the loops as many times as needed, then buckling the 4 corners of the changing room to them. The zipper is zipped upwards to open the changing room. It can be entered and zipped back down for privacy. Zip the zipper back up to exit the changing room. When no longer in use, remove the changing room from its securing straps. Then untie and decoil the securing straps from their respective loops. When not in use, it can be stored in the mesh top's front zipper pocket.